Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you all you need to know about Onboardbase. We are going to be using the dashboard to manage secrets, and also we are going to see how the scan feature works. Also, we are going to be using the merge request feature, which is one of my favorite features here at Onboardbase. My name is Daniel, and I'm a developer advocate here at Onboardbase. With all that being said, let's dive right into the video. Here you can see this is my project dashboard, and I'm currently using my existing organization, which is test new. So if you are creating your own account, this is not what you're going to get. You're actually going to be prompted to actually create a new organization. So to create a new organization, I will just click on this my organization here and click on the create new organization. So I can give it any name I want and call it anything. So I can just call it YouTube and then move. So once I click on create, you will actually see that it has created the organization, and it prompts me to actually create a project that will be in the organization. All right, I can actually give it any name and just say test and leave the description like that. So the next thing I can do is to actually click on the create to actually create the project, and it actually say I should import my env file or add it manually. So I would like to add it manually and just add one. So I can just say key and any value of your choice and save. So here you can see I have added my key, and it also prompts me to actually invite a teammate. So I can invite any teammates I want to invite. I can just add anything I want to really add. So I can invite myself. So this is my other account, and I'll just invite myself there and click on invite. So you see that it has already invited my other teammates, and it actually take me to the test dashboard. So you can see over here I have my YouTube organization, and over here I have my project. Okay, so once I click on the env, you actually find out that we have key we added during the process of creating the project, and we can see the value just because we are the owner of the specific project and organization, right? So yeah, this is how you be able to add your secrets. You can also click on here on this icon to actually add a new secret. But for now, I don't want to add any secret. I just want to show you something else. All right, so you can actually add secrets for different environments. So for now, we just have development. We can also add something like production, staging, and many more, depending on how we want to use it. All right. So after this, we also have something else called jobs. So these jobs will give you real-time update on where and how the secrets are being used. At the moment, we don't have any jobs because we have just created this project and this organization. So let me quickly switch to my former organization and show you how the jobs work. So once I click on my former organization and it's switching, I click on blog up and I head over to the jobs. You can actually see that there's no jobs here. All right, let's look for another project. And once I click on blog board, click on jobs, you actually see that we have something here. You can see that this shows us where and how these secrets are being used, right? You can see last seen 13 days ago, and these are the informations that actually happened, right? These are the things that actually happened. So we can also switch the environment and see. So we can switch to production and see if any jobs happened, anything happened on production. So this is how the jobs work, right? So we also have something called merge request. So so the teammates I added, they can actually make a merge request for a secret to be merged to the existing list of secrets. So we also have a detailed video that talks more about merge request. But basically, this is how merge request works. So the teammates would want to add a specific secret to this project. They can make it like a recommendation, then the admin is going to review it. So that's basically how merge request works. So once I head over to the activities, you'll be able to see all the activities being carried out in the project, right? So you can see at the way Daniel created new project, and these are the informations. These are the informations that really matters, and these are the activities I will carry out. Okay, so once I head over to the integrations, this is one of my favorite parts. You'll be able to integrate to any cloud platform of your choice. So you can add integrations to any cloud platform of your choice. You can integrate with Heroku. You can integrate with Fly.io, Docker, Takuci, GitHub, and many more. So we also have a detailed video show that shows you how to integrate to Heroku, GitHub, Netlify, and many others. So that's basically how the integration works. And once I head over to the people, you can actually see the list of teammates you have here. And yeah, so at the moment, I don't have any teammates and I don't have any teams. But basically, you can add your teammates over here and add anyone you want. So I added Daniel Adeboye. You can also add a team of your choice. You can create a team and add your invited teammate, right? And you can actually, so you can enter the name and say probably alpha and create. So you have created a team, and that team has just one employee, which is Daniel Adeboye. All right, so we are good to go for the teams. Once I head back to my dashboard, we also have something called compare. So you can you'll be able to search across your list of EMVs for specific secret type. So let me quickly type in next and see if it's going to give output. So you can see it actually brought out secrets in different environments. Okay, so I have next for development. I also have next public new for production. So basically, you can search across all your secrets for a specific secret type that you want to find. You can also compare two different environments together. So once I click on production here and click on development here and click on find, you'll be able to compare the difference in secrets in both environments, right? So that's basically how compare works. So we also have some webhook, which is also a good feature you can actually try out. So now that we have seen everything that is actually provided here on the dashboard, we can also move to our profile, right? So we also have this shortcut guide which can actually take you to the documentation, how to create service token, tunnels, secure builds, the starter kits we actually provide, and many others. So you can also check this out and click on each one by one. So once I click on my profile, I can also manage my organizations. I can manage my account. So I'm also provided with a feature that I'll be able to switch my accounts. If I have a lot of accounts, I can switch through all those accounts. So that's basically it for the dashboard. Let's quickly head over to the documentation. So once you head over to the documentation, once you head over to the documentation, you can locate the scan code base feature. All right, here you can see the scan code base feature. Basically you need to install our CLI to be able to do this. So this is a brief overview of how it works. All right, let me quickly enlarge my screen, and yeah. So let's say you have a project and you already have the Onboardbase CLI installed. You can actually run the Onboardbase scan in that project directory to actually detect leaked secrets. So you can see here it said found 4 secrets while scanning secrets. Okay, so Azure client ID, and it actually gave me the secrets it detected and the location of the secret. So we also have Postgres, and it actually gave me the secret and the location of the secret. So this is how the onboard base scan works locally, and you can also try that out. So it also provide adding a pre-commit scan with OSCI. So you can do this by running npm install OSCI, then save dev, and follow the option. So apart from scan, we also provide what is called tunnels. So with the help of tunnels, you'd be able to expose your local server to the rest of the world. For you to use the tunnels, you need to install the Onboardbase CLI. And after installing the Onboardbase CLI, you need to locate the project directory, probably, and run the tunnels command. So we also have a detailed video that talks more about the Onboardbase tunnel, and the link will be down the description. All right, so once you run this command, you'll be able to create a tunnels that will provide a link to your website. So that link you can be able to share it to the rest of your friends to actually check out your project without you even hosting that specific project. So that's basically how tunnels works. And also down here in the documentation, you can also see a lot of frameworks that you can actually integrate with. So not all the frameworks are here, but you can integrate with any framework of your choice. If you're having issue integrating Onboardbase with any framework, you can actually reach out to us in our community, tag us on Twitter and talk about your issue, and we'll be glad to fix them for you. So down here, you can also see integrations with multiple cloud platforms. We also provide SDKs, and we also have a blog, a YouTube channel. This one you're actually watching from, a Twitter account, the community on Slack and Discord, and we also provide a change log. I hope you've learned a lot from watching this video. If you're having any issue later on, you can reach out to us on Twitter, like I said, and also join our community to raise your issue there. We'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching this video, and bye.